Hi everyone, welcome back to One Step Adventure. I'm Steve.
And I'm Uncle Don.
And we are at home. We're going to go to Disney very soon. But before we leave, we want to show you something. Go ahead.
What are we going to show them?
So
wait.
What?
By the way, you said we were at home.
Yeah, we're home, yeah.
Okay.
So you guys know that Uncle Don started collecting pins just casually, and of course he picked the one the most expensive, Haunted Mansions, and it is the most expensive one. And then July 4th they released this Haunted Mansion mystery pin box. They sold out in one day one, and I've been back there a couple times. I can't find it. And then yesterday I was at the park. I meet up with We Disney. Nara told me it's there, they restocked. So I went ahead got this. So we're gonna unbox here and then see what you get. This one too, maybe. So this is the one we want for Uncle Don's, and Nair is gonna help us to find. Hopefully we get all of them.
It's 50-50.
50-50.
50-50.
Plus I'm going to Sunday event, so
Okay, yeah,
I
you
can
can trade your
always...
doubles, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, that one's good. Alright, how many is that? 6?
6.
4, 6.
So that feel good?
I feel good, yeah.
That feels
I have a
good.
feeling on it.
Okay, so Beth, how many duplicates do you think I'm going to get?
So they are total A style, and each box have 2 pins, and we bought 6 box. That's
I
12.
feel 6 boxes.
The 12 style.
So how
I got a feeling you will get all 8. That's it.
you think I'm going to get it all?
Yes, you're gonna get all. Gotta send the positive energy out there.
Manifest the...
Yeah, and plus Nar was teaching me that this box, they have a different size of pins in there, so you feel the weight.
Oh.
So I'm like, okay, if it doesn't work, Nia, I wanna come
Okay,
to
so
you.
you think I'm going to get all 8?
All 8? Yes, you will get all 8.
Okay, Nar, on the line.
Here
right
we
now.
go.
Okay, so here we go. I'm going to reach in and pull out the first one.
Okay. This particular is so cute, the design. Look at that. It is so... they're using that artwork on all the merch right now. You bought the sweatshirt
Yes,
too.
I did.
And each box...
Too
how
hot
much-
to wear it right now.
I know. How much is each box? Forgot.
Each box is $19.99.
And then we get 20% off, so that helps a little bit.
Oh, I was going to say, wow, that's a lot of money.
That's how Disney did you.
Okay, so there's 6 total boxes. So here's the first one. Wait, which one of the 6 should I open first?
We're not live, so people...
Okay, I'm just going to grab
But first,
one.
I want to show people what are the style they have, so you can take a look. These are the style. See that? Do you know them? I don't have my glasses on here, so I can't tell.
Okay, so here we go. So since you touched this one, I'm going to open it first.
Yes.
First 2. Dun, 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 dun. Again, another package to open up. Disney should go on a plastics reduction act.
I know, right?
Okay, so here we go. Dun 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 dun. Dun.
Who is
Is I
that?
got it upside down?
I think you gotta do
I
that.
do. It is. Oh, it's one of the headless, or the. There we go. The singers.
The one head
Yeah,
down,
yeah.
Some
Okay.
people know all their names, though, right? Damn, so-
Yeah, I'm not that.
They are pretty big. It's pretty nice. It's kind of like a mirror in the background.
So here we go. Number 2.
We're gonna do what this was looking.
Number 2.
easier.
Coming out. Dun 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 dun. Another one, but not the same one.
Yeah. Okay, that's good.
So we're 2 for 2.
We better be.
Okay.
Okay.
Next box.
Let's see.
Now, if we get all 8, in the first 4 boxes, we can take them back, right?
Yes. Or we can trade with other people. So
See, I'm the kind of guy who would just take them back.
yeah.
Don't spend too much money. Okay, here we go. The next 2, there they are. Let me see if I feel any different. Not really.
Oh no, really? Did you just does it feel also feel kind of square too though? Oh no.
Okay, here we go. Oh, wait, no, wait.
What is it?
This is the grave digger.
Oh.
Dun, 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 dun. There's the
It's really
grave
cool though, the design. It's like
digger.
they're all in front of a mirror or something.
Okay, so there's 3 for 3.
Okay.
Here we go.
Oh, with it's a doggy or cat? Cat. No, doggy. That's the when you go to the haunted mansion, right?
Yeah.
Ah, what's her name?
I don't know.
Constant, isn't it?
Constance, yes. There
The
you-
bride, the heartless bride.
Right there.
Okay, we're doing good.
4 for
4.
Okay, here we go. I bet you this is going to be a duplicate.
Jesus.
This box is going to be a duplicate.
No, it's not. It's gonna be different.
There we go.
How does it feel?
Like a duplicate.
You know, that's not very positive.
It's not.
Another
Dun, dun,
headless
dun, dun, dun.
singer thing.
Dun,
I think
dun,
it's
dun,
4 of them. And a hijacking ghost. And something in here very small.
Wow. Here comes number 6. Wah, wah, wah.
Okay.
We got
Yeah.
a duplicate
One
grave
duplicate.
digger.
That's okay.
I will sell this one to the first person that offers for $50.
The value is $20, but continue.
So we did hit a duplicate.
Okay, no problem.
We did hit a duplicate.
So when we ask you, would you ever imagine you would do YouTube video and then you're doing unboxing for pins?
No.
This is crazy. Oh my god, this is what Disney do to you. How does it, let me feel this real quick. I can tell they're all kind of square, so.
Oh, wait.
We don't have that.
We do not have this one.
So we complete the 4
Singers.
Yay. Yes.
And wah, wah, wah.
Another duplicate. Okay. So
Right
we're
there.
missing a little. 2 more. There's no.
Why, do you know something I don't know?
When you're out.
Did you guys, is there some secret code on the box?
I wish.
And you're just putting me through this for the video?
I wish I know. Nobody know. No one can tell.
Somebody can tell. Uh-oh. Wah, wah, wah.
Okay.
Grave digger. So now we have, now we have 2 traders for grave digger.
And 1 trader for the
Singer.
Yeah.
Wah, wah, wah.
Okay, at least it's Constance. Which is good.
Constance.
Okay.
1 more box.
1 more box.
And
Come
we
on.
need 2.
We
That
just
means
need 2.
that this box has to have 2 pins in it, completely different than the rest of those.
Yes.
Do you know what the odds of that are?
I have no idea.
You
This
didn't
is-
take statistics, did you?
No.
Really? You should have took that when you were in design school.
I'm not a smarter student, so.
Okay, here we go. What do you want to bet?
I know it's the 2 we don't have. Let me feel this. They're all kind of square-ish though.
Well, but they are all
I
kind of
know,
square.
it's like really hard to tell. Okay.
What do you guys think? There it is. There they are, the last 2.
Yeah.
And we're 2 away from a full set.
Yes, please.
Here we go. Dun 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 dun. Wah wah wah.
Oh, no, okay. At least it's not what do you call? Not a lot of the same one. Come on, we still have a chance. That's the dupe. We don't have this one.
Yes, we do.
You do? Oh.
Dun 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 dun.
Okay, so we are missing.
We're missing 2.
Which 2 we're missing? Wait, 16 box 8, right? Yeah.
So we're missing the one of all 3 of them,
Yeah.
and one of the singers that are vertical. There's 4 singers that are vertical.
Oh, okay.
So we're missing this one, the famous one of all 3 of them, the one on the front, this one,
Okay, now we go.
and we're missing one of the singers.
Yeah. Okay, now we need to go to the bench and see if anyone want to trade.
Yeah.
All right. Well, let me show you guys just real quick here. So this is what we got. Wow, the reflection of the pens, you can see the camera so good. That's what we got. All right. Thank you so much for watching our video today. Make sure to subscribe to YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell so you know the day and time we release our video, and check out our skincare brand Yibu Beauty. Use my discount code STAY15 to receive a 15% off. And follow Uncle Don at
Epicurious _Uncle Don.
All right. See you guys later. Bye.
Bye.